If you see the error "Contact card issuer" when trying to add or use a card with Apple Pay, it usually means your bank or card provider has blocked the transaction or there's an issue verifying your card. Here's how to fix it. Check for card restrictions. Your card may have limits, be expired, or flagged for suspicious activity. Contact your bank or card issuer directly to confirm the card is active and compatible with Apple Pay. Update your iOS. Make sure your iPhone or Apple Watch is running the latest version of iOS or watchOS. Go to Settings, General, Software Update and install any available updates. Remove or re-add the card. Open the Wallet app. Tap on the card and select Remove Card. Then tap Plus to add the card again. Check region and device compatibility. Apple Pay is not supported in all countries or with all banks. Make sure your region supports Apple Pay and that your device is compatible. Verify with your bank. Some banks require additional verification. You may need to confirm via text, email, or a call.